Good morning, beauties. Happy Saturday. It's another reset type of Saturday. I was doing some cleaning today. I was talking to my friend that I think I'm gonna need help because it is a tiring job, but I'm glad I got it done. If you're new to the channel, you're so welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. I'm not sure what I want to eat for breakfast, but I'm gonna chop up this watermelon and probably have some yogurt. It's been a really busy week in the week, so I really want to have a restful weekend. I'm going to step out and see my cousin and her babies, and then we'll come back and continue to rest. And I'm watching Law and Order.
I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave. Till I ride away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change.
I'm gonna go out for a quick walk and then go out to my cousin. I wanna do my 4 kilometers. I'm going to bring this bottle of wine as Ngenadleni. I thought we were going to keep these wines for future use, but what a joke, my darling. What a joke, my darling. Yeah, we drank them, but I'm gonna go with this one. And as I was walking outside, I was just thinking how nice it would be to have a pool day. Like, the sun is in and out, it's not cold. It was threatening to rain, but the rain hasn't arrived, so if I do come back a bit earlier, we're gonna go for a little dip. I've never been in that pool. I've never been in that pool. I'm giving vibes of somebody who doesn't know how to swim. I know how to swim. I haven't swam in a long time, but I know how to do it. The last time I could. Good morning, I'm back. Yesterday was a nice day, but I cut it when I got to my cousin's place because I didn't want to record there with the children. We're going to start off the day with some morning skincare. As you guys know, I use my Cetaphil, the toner. I think some people actually say they don't use toner every day, but I do. Is that bad? I don't know. You guys can let me know. We had such a wonderful conversation yesterday with my cousin, and I just got reminded at how important community is. And funny also that with men are always having a conversation to give you a solution. It's not a venting session, and it's okay. I think people can hold different spaces, and it really is okay. Using the Cetaphil Day Cream. I top it up with my other moisturizer that has SPF. Guys, how does it work? If this is SPF 15 and another moisturizer is 30, does that make it 45? I don't know if it doesn't make it 45. I hope it does. So yeah, men are not able to like accommodate that, which is fine. So it was such a nice conversation. I got so many eye-opening realizations, and I walk around heavy laden with stress and things that I can't control and things that are really bothering me from a work perspective, life and stuff. So gosh, that conversation did me so much good. I was actually saying, Ubuti, I don't know if the sermon that I'm going to receive today is going to hit as much as that conversation, because yeah, I was reminded a lot of God's promises, and we were talking around favor, that it's sometimes when we feel like we're not in a position of favor, and we previously were, it's God teaching us or building that muscle for you not to experience favor, so that you're able to recognize it when somebody else is not being favored, and you're not going to contribute in ekshayin gumuntu, or contribute to the negative experience that a person might be going through. So it's like you're going through it so that you can recognize it when somebody else is going through it, because life has challenges. Like, we're not promised a life without challenge, but it's how empathetic we can be towards people. Can't practice empathy and consideration if you haven't been in that particular situation as well. So Jay, big deep, but I appreciate it so much. Personally, for me, I can walk around with certain expectations, but life doesn't owe you things to go well all the time. But amazing conversation. So I'm preparing to go to church. I'm gonna top up with my other Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, which is gonna make it SPF 45, right? And that's all the skincare I do. This is a new addition, as you guys might know. This is a new addition, but I always just have my toner and moisturizer.
Spend it on me, I love when you spend it on me. Don't hit tell me, got me up in TVOG. Before my love couldn't be bought.
I'm so pretty. Since you are my influence. My lashes are too over curled. Do I need that curler thing? She's been through so much. She's been through a lot.
But now that's all I want. Turn me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me and still get with whatever fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. I love when you spend it on me. Don't hit tell me, got me up in TVOG. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want. Turn me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me and still get with whatever fight. No. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want. Turn me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me and still get with whatever fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. I love when you spend it on me. Don't hit tell me, got me up in TVOG. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want. Turn me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me and still get with whatever fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. I love when you spend it on me. Don't hit tell me, got me up in TVOG. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want.
So fresh and so clean. I've also washed my face. I use Mikotikura as a face scrub. Yeah, I will be changing this girl. So today we're going to use a face mask, collagen face mask. I don't know if it's advisable to also use under eye mask after using this. I don't know, but let's use this first, and then we will seal it all with my moisturizers, my nice moisturizers. TikTok, homosexual. I don't think this is the romantic life we were promised, honestly. Us who grew up on Disney and the stories, oh Cinderella, hi Bandla. But it's an economic indicator. Like, everybody's looking out for themselves. The patriarchy is dying a very quick, painful death. I need to buy a fan. My lady. I'm not gonna put the under eye patch. Yeah, I think it's just too much. Hey guys, thank you so much for spending the weekend with me. It was a really chill one. I'm glad I cleaned. There was a TikTok that a guy was saying that a woman's mood is very dependent on how clean her space is. I think I agree. I'm glad that I cleaned. I feel much better about it. And the slept I slept this afternoon is gonna make it very tricky for me to sleep tonight, but we'll see. I also have a big week next week, so pray for me that everything goes well. But yeah, please pray for me that everything goes well work-wise. Thanks so much for watching. It was a great self-care, very restful weekend, which I appreciate. I need to recoup for the week so that I don't regret or have a terrible experience in the week. But thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. Please do make sure that you are subscribed. Watch the video to the end. Please watch it till the end, like the video, share it with your friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.